Welcome to CompuMod. This is C-GuL here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a bootable USB flash drive. You can use this to install any operating system on PCs or laptops. It works on both of them. It works for any operating system. It works just like a disk that you would boot from. I'm going to start by pressing Windows and R to get my run dialog box here, and we're going to open the command prompt by typing in CMD, pressing enter or click on the OK button, and we have our command prompt. Next up, we want to go to the disk part application, so disk part, and it should run a second box. I'm just going to drag that right into the middle, and we can run this straight from here. Alright, first thing you want to do is you want to check where your disks are. So we're going to say list disk, and there we have it. I have my disk 0, which is my data drive. Disk 1 and 2 is split into parts there, and disk 3 is the 32 gig supposed to be flash drive that I already inserted into my PC. So we're going to select disk 3, and it is simple as just saying select disk 3, and disk 3 is now the selected disk. First off, we're going to clean it, so we go clean. It's going to take a couple of seconds to do that because it's such a large USB flash drive. You can use any USB flash drive size as long as you know that the amount of data on that disk or on that flash drive will fit on that flash drive. And there we go. DiskPath succeeded in cleaning this disk. And now the next thing you want to do is create a new partition. So we're going to go create. Oh, that's horrible. Create partition, and we're going to make this primary. DiskPath succeeded in creating a specified partition. Next thing is very important. You have to do this, otherwise the flash drive will not boot off this. So first we're gonna select this partition, select partition 1, and then we're gonna activate it just by typing active. This part marked the current partition as active. There we go. Now we want to format this, and we want to set the file system fs to NTFS. NTFS. There we go. The reason for this is if you want to format it in a FAT system, it will not allow you to copy any single file larger than 4 gigs onto the disk. We're gonna format this in NTFS. I will be fast forwarding this for you guys because it's a 32 gig flash drive. It's the only one I have at the moment. It's gonna take a while. I will speak to you guys as soon as we are done here. I'll see you in a bit. So what seemed a lifetime for me and only a couple of seconds for you guys was the formatting of this flash drive. DiskPath has successfully formatted the volume, and you can now exit your command prompts, both of them. Let's exit and exit. And now I'm gonna open the folder that I have the not the image, I extracted the image already for the files that I got for I'm going to use the Windows 10 files for putting this onto the USB drive. Okay, so inside this folder you should see the boot EFI 64x86 autorun, all the files that was on this image right here. This is the image I downloaded directly from the Microsoft website. and I just used WinRAR, or you can just run it with either Daemon Tools or open the image and copy the files out of the image. So we're going to select these files only. We're going to copy them. Right click, copy, and then we're going to go to the removable disk that we just formatted, and you'll see it's empty disk. Obviously I'm going to paste it, and it shouldn't take too long, but again I will quickly fast forward through this for you guys. And there we have it. All of the files for installing Windows 10 is onto the flash drive. Now all we need to do is get this flash drive into another system, boot it up off the flash drive, and we can start installing Windows. All I'm going to do is I'm going to boot it off the flash drive, show you how to do that. Installing of Windows and other operating systems will be in other videos. Check out my channel for more of that. Firstly, I really need to tell you that you do have to make sure that you click on this little icon at the top here and safely remove the flash drive. Otherwise it can happen, and has happened to me before, that if you do not safely remove the flash drive, it goes corrupt, the files, and you do have to do this whole process all over again. Alright, I'm going to switch to the other system. Apologies ahead for the quality that it's going to be. I am recording this on a webcam pointed to a laptop screen, and yeah, I couldn't get the quality as good as I wanted it to be. I will speak to you guys just now. Okay, so I have inserted the flash drive into this laptop I've got here. All we need to do now is power it up and keep on hitting the appropriate button for the system you're using, either the motherboard or the laptop, to get to the quick boot menu. I'm gonna power this up. Let's see. There we go. And as soon as it boots up, we're gonna continuously hit your boot menu button, and there we go. Now you'll see it gives me the three options: your notebook hard drive, internal CD DVD-ROM drive, or the verbatim Micro Plus that I am using. I'm gonna go down and select the verbatim Micro Plus, hit enter, and it will start loading the Windows that I have got there. Okay, it's giving me the option for 62 or 32-bit. This is a 64-bit processor in this laptop, and press enter, and that's all you have to do to boot up to this system. The button you use for the different laptops or motherboards you get, you're gonna just have to go to the manufacturer's website. They should show there which button you can use for your motherboard or the laptop you want to do. And there we go. Windows 10 is booting up. This might take a couple of seconds. Here we go. And the next screen should be the first options you get. Language options, time, currency, keyboard, input, and so on and so forth. Guys, thank you very much for watching. All your views is so much appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was any help to you, and to get early access as well as ad-free videos. You can watch these same videos ad-free. You can get early access to all my videos if you become a patron. A link has been at the top during the entire video. I will have one pop up again just now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.